A neighbor was throwing out this guitar case, and I decided this would be a great medicine cabinet above the sink. We're going to have to remove probably around this much of the height so that it fits in the trailer safely. We'll cap it off, and then it'll open up as a medicine cabinet above the sink. And today I am taking out the lining so that we can put in a lining that will be more conducive to a bathroom. All right, Corey has made the first cut on the guitar, and he's getting ready to make the second cut. This is so that we can use it as a medicine cabinet. He's going to make that second cut, and we will hopefully be able to slip this down over it and just make it look like a shorter guitar case, because with our clearances in the trailer, it's just too tall. All right, let's go cut it, Corey. And since he's already cut off the part that had the latch, it's not wanting to hold together with the lid, so he's got to get it clamped really good so that he gets a straight cut. Right? Ta-da! Almost. And a little bit there. Oh. It doesn't want to let go. There you go. Cool. Now I feel like we need to make the rest of it into something else too. Let's see how the other side fits on top of that, or if. Maybe it's a cello case instead of a... I'll have to do something to attach it, but I think that'll work. There you go. So that's gonna kind of be it, and we're planning on putting a mirror here for the medicine cabinet and shelves inside. And I've got some ideas for theming it, so yay. Another project that's on its way. As is always the case with me, I found out that there's a couple of things that happen when you cut it so that these two can't be joined together. So instead, I'm going to make two separate containers and then shelves inside, using the parts of the case that we removed earlier. And that'll close up each individual one, and then they can be hung separately, which I think is going to be cool once I work it all out. So I'm starting with putting some 1x in here to support the bottom so that it'll hold weight. That'll give some extra structure to it, to do it on both sides. Those set up, and then I can put bottoms on, and then I will conceal it with leather. Never even know it's there. Right, and I am continuing on with our little project. I have got this one, I think this is the one, yeah. Little weld bond. Now let that set up, and that's our next step on this. Sewed a little piece of material with straight edges to hide some of these seams. The material came off of a chair that somebody was throwing away on the side of the road. It's a faux leather, but it matches this guitar case perfectly. The guitar case that we also found on the side of the road. This weld bond, it dries clear, so even when I'm messy, it works out pretty good. Let that set up. This morning I am going to start working on the lining of our guitar medicine case. I want it to again go with our adventure theme, so I'm putting some animal prints in, and I'm going to start doing that today. I'm going to decoupage. I poster printed a leopard print, and I will decoupage it into the case before I put shelves in. I'm almost done putting the decoupage into the guitar case, which will also be a medicine cabinet. I still have to put in shelves. I've tied in some adventure theming with the animal print and a nod to the Adventurous Club from Pleasure Island. And I may tie in somehow Fingers Zambezi to really make it a little nod to the Adventurous Club. And a mirror will go on the front. I want to add some stickers and maybe some playbills or something just to kind of tie everything together, but it's getting there. This can set, maybe an inch or two above. Like I say, we had to cut out almost 10 inches of the neck of the guitar case because it just wouldn't fit between the sink and the ceiling upon doing some measurements. But there you have it. How cool is that? I am real excited how my medicine case is turning out. We got some glass top epoxy, so all of this is nicely coated in an epoxy, so I think it'll hold up a lot better in a bathroom atmosphere. And I believe I can use some refrigerator shelves in here that we have. And then, yeah, I am excited about this. This is at least progress.